What I love most about LaSalle Green Hills is the sense of community. Especially when I first came here, more than 23 years ago, I experienced being welcomed not only by my colleagues but also by my superiors. For me, the greatest thing that I have received from LaSalle Green Hills is the gift of being an educator. I hope LaSalle Green Hills, you will continue to inspire young people, young teachers, and also our new employees here that we can become the best that we can be. And I hope and pray that LSGH will continue to grow and will continue to reach out to more people, more students, more employees, so that more lives can be changed for the better.